สวัสดีค่ะnhớ rằng cú lúc bây giờ mình mạnh giờ ban ra buổi tiệc bây giờ cả bắt chia mình có sinh thọ có ý sinh bao lại từng thì chỉ cả hành đi hành mình mạnh còn. Today I'm going to do a reaction video of watching Jonglu's music video that she had recorded with S4. I have not watched it yet, so you guys are getting my honest, true reaction. So let's just get into the video. So excited. Baby, so cute. So pretty, babe. Okay. Okay, time for feedback time. The song was written very nicely. How you sung it was very beautiful. It was a great opportunity for you to go work with S4 in this music video and many more to come. One thing I want to critique you on is your hand motion. In the music video, you did too much hand motion where it's like you're trying too hard, but it's just my opinion and I'm giving you a feedback. Next time, don't do too many hand motion, but when the right lyric comes on, then you do the hand motion to make it more meaningful, and it just makes the music video way better. I love the song very much. When you went and did a music video shoot and they did behind the scene on S4 Facebook Live, the song, they played it and you were lip singing to it while they were shooting the music video. It was a very catchy song already. Like, it's just a good song. You know, that it's very good and it's very catchy and so that song really touched my heart. That's why I'm so happy to actually finally see the finished music video and the song. And yes, I will still support you no matter what you do in the future. I wish nothing but greatness and good opportunities for you to expand your personality to your fan base, your followers. Yeah. Nhớ lo cái giống cái bật tí xì, you know, nhiều dao nó nè. Cái chỉ bao xin That's all for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.